India is fast turning into a hub of clinical trials, unfortunately at times with disastrous consequences. In the last 15 years, US-funded trials killed 254 women.
It is absolute guinea pig testing of poor Indian women. They never told them that you will get a fake medicine. Some people will get, some people will not get. They never told them that. So it's deliberately misleading people.
The trials were conducted among women slum dwellers in Mumbai, Osmanabad in Maharashtra and Dindigul in Tamil Nadu. All of them were part of an uncontrolled cervical study group. None had enough information to give informed consent.
The agency which is conducting the clinical trial puts everything there to safeguard itself. That I have explained all these things which may not be true for the participant who is participating. One. Second, there is no effective public health system in India. So the people are pushed into clinical trial because it's free.
When a patient is screened for cervical cancer, it reduces the rate of cancer significantly. Yet 1,40,000 women were kept unscreened. Experts who call it unethical also says that this has violated global ethical guidelines. In 2010, out of 668 deaths, 22 cases were compensated for botched up clinical trials. 2011 saw 438 deaths, 15 cases were compensated for the trials. In 2012, the figure was 16.
If these are not followed, it is not the government that is at fault, it is the agencies that are breaking the rules. There are agencies who carry out clinical trials, there are investigators who carry out clinical trials, and there are bodies that support these studies without the government even knowing.
Taking note of these issues, the Supreme Court asked the centre to submit details of deaths and adverse effects caused during trials. It also asked the government to ensure that MNCs compensated the victims.
Most of the good institutions, they were taking the consent properly. They were not doing anything unethical. But things went wrong at several places. That is also a fact. And the problem was that who will be accountable?
The government claims clinical trials caused 89 deaths and serious adverse effects to 506 people. The NGO that filed the petition, however, states 4,000 cases with severe adverse effects.
506 who have been affected because of the serious adverse impacts due to trial, even they have not been compensated. And the reply which has been given is that no rules existed at that time to give the, which is again a totally wrong statement, because the rules existed for giving compensation.
It is the duty of a responsible administration to ensure scientific and ethically correct trials. Such trials not only help ailing patients but also the medicine industry. Singh, Rajya Sabha TV.